It's got something like 30 bedrooms. It's got an amazing basement with like ping pong, pool, a movie theater. You'll be just fine. Oh man, it has been a crazy couple of weeks. I had to come back to Virginia because Carrie's family was having a family reunion in the Outer Banks. They do that every 2 years. Her grandpa is 90 years old. Incredible. Grandpa Vic Jones. I call him Grandpa Victorious sometimes because he's just awesome like that. Really values family and spending intentional time. So we did that for a week in a beach house that he rented. This house is huge. It's got something like 30 bedrooms. Each of the bedrooms has their own bathroom. It's got an amazing basement with like ping pong, pool, a movie theater, arcade games. The kitchen area has room for everyone to eat together, a huge mess hall, ballroom. We usually do a talent show in the ballroom, which is cool to see all the kids dancing around and doing crazy stuff. So that was an awesome time to spend as a family on the beach. But now we are gearing back up to go pick up the RV because while we were doing all those things, we decided that that would be a good time to have the RV serviced, do the oil change on the generator. What else do we have done with the RV?
Side cover.
Oh yeah, the side cover ripped. Like we were driving and it just ripped off somewhere with high winds, so we had to replace that. One of the awnings over there. The AC wasn't blowing cold anymore, so that's fixed. So basically, we are going to pick up our house, and it's going to feel so good to be reunited and back on the road. Stopped and got our Chick-fil-A breakfast, and we are here picking it up. Here it is over here. Yes, there's the awning. Basically, that thing ripped. We're going down the highway, and that thing just like tore. That keeps water off the top of the slide when you put it out. So generally you're okay, but sometimes a little bit of water trickled in. Someone told us, oh, you don't really need it, but we did have to clean up some water a couple times, so we wanted to make sure we got that cover back up. I let Carrie review all the financials because she's the accountant. I'm more of like, the marketing guy, and she does all of the numbers. So now that we got that taken care of, I'm gonna reunite with our trusty steed / home. It's like the first time. It's like coming back home for the first time. Home sweet home.
All the rest of the stuff we can't see, right?
I mean, it just feels better though. It feels like it's ready to roll. So this slides out, and then that awning covers this. But what we were having was when this came back in, some water would trickle down this. So now we're watertight again. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get moving here, and we're gonna get back on the road. So thank you for watching. We're gonna be continuing to post videos for every state that we visit, and we want you to come along with us. So don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you soon. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and follow the page. You can also hit those 3 buttons there and click follow, then see first, so you never miss one of our videos.